Albert the technologist. We're going to talk about Windows 11. And I had this annoying problem. Every time I transfer one of my audio files to my OneDrive, and there's no OneDrive. What the heck is it? No, I don't have it blocked. I shouldn't have to trigger it every time. It keeps disappearing. I have space on my OneDrive. Uploading now. Should have been done hours ago. This is one annoyance after another. Did it have the same problem in 10? Yeah, I believe so. But it's worse now. Okay, the file is up. I can access it. So this is on a machine that is not compliant. But everything else works. It does update and everything. We got the latest version of WiseCare 386. I installed that today. I had made another video, but it's just too long. So I think they fixed a bug. There was a bug in this where it wiped out the cookies. Like, let's say you go on Twitter or you go on Amazon. You have to re-log yourself in. I like things automatic, but not everything. But so it kept on removing the needed file. This is PC checkup. So what it's going to do is going to check out the PC. I have a couple of reviews on this, and this is extra tools and stuff that you can add on. I don't recommend turning on this because it'll slow down your machine. It's just not really needed. It's supposed to catch anything trying to go into the registry. But see, Windows Defender can do that. That's why I said this company needs to work with Microsoft. Integrate WiseCare into all Windows. And have it automatically clean. Use Katana as a smart system. Much better than it is now. Maybe one day it will happen, but right now, I already ran this. Okay. If you want to go more cleaning, you'll go in here. Let's see if anything in the browser. Oh, that's it. I keep the system running smooth and clean. Another annoyance is it shouldn't happen. Let's see if it happened. Oh, it's the wrong folder. Wait a minute, what happened here? Why did it jump from the folder I was gonna select? Another annoyance is TCP. Here it is. TCP optimizer You might not see it because I'm on another screen, but you'll see it now. All right. I was right. It's not retaining the. It's not retaining the session. It's not retaining the settings. Or with every update, Microsoft reverts back to what it was. You gotta run this as administrator. Well, these settings are right. 64K, 30. Those are right. Okay. You see on my let me see something here. I can find it. I would run this. Which one is this? Hmm? Here's an application. This is supposed to lock in the core, so you run at full power. Now here it says base frequency is 3 point, yeah, that's 3.4. Number of cores is 400%. If you hit apply, it's set. So it always, I know it's almost like disabling the, but let's see if that's true. If it's running at full speed ahead. Control Alt Delete. Task Manager. Performance. Well, we also got the CPU toy. We got the screen imager is running in the background. Base speed 3.02. So it is showing 3.02. Oh, wow. It's supposed to say 3.4, as you know. So it is working. Okay, so what's the purpose of that? Yeah, so the CPU is going to run at full speed ahead. That's Core Parking Manager. And where do you find that? You know, you gotta look for it. That's 2014. That was released. And that's running off. That's not running on my hard drive. That's running off the network. I should put it on. I'm gonna copy it. Put it on one of my put it in one of my folders. Alright, let me close it. Let me run it again. Run as admin. This time it's not running over. Apply. It shows the same amount of core. So, I usually have it automatically and brings up the page. All right, so we're loading the technology page. Oh, you guys gotta register. Come on, we need more register. We need at least 100.
Solar generator.
Shoot 1,000.
Yeah, it's in here. This is where I actually build it. All right, so
I got a video to show you guys how.
Now you say, gee, if you have
and how it looks
component
like,
system, why did you buy this? Well, I don't have Dolby Atmos, and to buy a new receiver, today's prices, you know, it cost me $500.
Then
because I have to buy two. How could I just buy
I've
one?
never done that before. Show an actual deployment.
So right now we have 8 speakers plus what this device has. So there are more speakers now.
Well, I mean, I showed current and what I had to do. So
it's going to basically just come out of the TV set and the Fire Stick in the back.
But they're using the latest in technology.
Yeah, and I'm plugging this with the ARC system. I didn't see much of a difference in sound quality.
I'll talk about it.
All right, I'm going to pause the video because I have to do some wiring. Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing.
Actually, I did a commentary.
All right, so I don't know if their cable is better than my cable. I have no idea what kind of HDMI they're using.
Okay, so we have about 12,000 of you guys. I do appreciate that. We just need to get you guys to subscribe. I know you guys like the sound. Or actually, I contacted
I'm gonna
TCL.
pause the video because I have to do some
trying to see if they were sponsored, but I know the numbers.
Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing.
We can test out more of their hardware.
All right, so
otherwise I'd have to buy it.
I don't know if their cable is better than my cable. I have no idea.
Or I'm just gonna do
HDMI. Are they using a special HDMI cable, or are they just using a regular HDMI cable?
How's the little gateway working out? It's working. You know, compared to Windows OS,
let's open it up.
You know, with Chrome OS. Well, like I said, right now, what am I doing? I'm in the browser, right? That's what Chrome OS is, the browser. But see, on a Windows machine, you can go into the file, the server, that you can get really nitty gritty. You know. That's a different.
What does this thing say?
But anyway,
this is like just a regular HDMI. Is this gold? What? It's not even gold.
And I won't really, I won't be able to really test this unless turning off the. Oh, here's the icon for it. But let's see if this is a newer version. I doubt it. Let me see. Let's go back into open up the browser. And what is this called again? This is called Core Parking Manager. Okay, change the CPU parking mode while increasing performance during stable. Alright, so there's a version 3 out. Let's see if there's a more stable version. This is where it comes from. Monitor and enhance CPU performance in real time. Okay. Oh, he's getting high tech now. quick CPU, disable CPU core parking utility. Network sniffer. What's this? Quick CPU. What's that? Quick CPU, latest version. Quick is a program that was designed to fine-tune and monitor CPU and system parameters such as CPU temperature, core, parking areas. A lot of information. This is good for people like myself that was, like to know what's going on with the CPU and everything. Because Microsoft doesn't really go into detail. This app requires Net Framework 4.6 to be installed on the machine. Oh, okay. Well, let's download it and see what it can do. Do really needed to get it for whoops, oh my god, it's so annoying. Right click. Oh, okay, double click. Yeah. Network sniffer .int. Should get this as well. Download source code. What's this? I really only have something else. Have land spy CPU, quick CPU. What's this do? This is the same thing again. Core parking. That's that. What else does he have? Disable CPU core parking utilities. Back in the days, most computers and this design make core parking. Let's say we have a CPU with a total of 6 cores, including logical, and this will be 100% of our power. Blah, 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 blah. That's 4 cores. Enable 12 cores, park core 0. Advanced features and new versions available. For the best builds, please follow the link to get the quick CPU application. Download. What is this? 1.101, October 19. Download 1.1.1. So, okay. All this time it was hanging. Finish. I don't think we need to run this and that at the same time. Let me close that. Oh, yes. All right, what's going on here? Utilization, 100%. Temperature, 39 Celsius. Clock, it's bouncing all over the place. So maybe we can lock it in. Core parking, 100% frequency. Turbo boost, 60%. So can we go to 100%? Performance, well, 100%. Hammer bed apply with a crash. Explode. So where are we at now? Core, max core is 3.04. So there it is, 3.4. It's almost 3.5. Core frequency, cache. Set CPU set minimum performance, maximum performance. Is that what that does? Energy performance preferred max per core parking disabled, maximum turbos enabled, additional performance and set quick CPU power plan accept. What else we got here? So this is called quick CPU. You see where I got it from. It came from as a code bagger. Power plan management. Remember, this is for people like myself who are really into improving the way the system is running. So just letting you know, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it, because if you do something wrong, it might crash. So this is a lot of information. Memory auto clean setting. What? Really? Auto clean memory off. Let's turn it on. Working set, yes. System cache, yes. Auto clean type, memory usage. What do we got? Alright. Clean memory every 90 minutes. Clean when above 60%. Hit apply. Good. Good. That's where he finally did it. Oh, this is great. So it'll clean out the memory. And make the system run like it's supposed to run. No cores are parked, so we're getting full power. Oh, let's see. Hopefully that's. I want to try this. Oh, I should download this for the. Oh, I have it on this. I'll put it on my the gateway. But that needs all the help it can get. Yeah, so we're gonna run this on the gateway. Where did I? Hold on a second. I'm gonna put it on my. I have a NAS. That's a network attached storage. That's a network attached storage. Today you can get that and a cloud storage too. Some companies give it for free when you have both. Where do I put the? Where is the download? Download 22. I just transfer it to my NAS. Oh, this is pretty good. When I shut off the a caption utility, then I'll see how it really runs. CPU package 3.34, 2 minimum. Maximum is 49. I'm gonna wait. Oh, Lord. Sensors. Temperature. It's a good program. Looks like a good program. We'll see how it is. We'll play around with it. Anything to improve the way the system performance is, you know? So this was about Core Manager, Core Parking Manager, and now it's embedded into this program, and this is called Quick CPU. It's a free program. For those of you who want the best performance out of your PC, then this is the way to go. And then you have TCP optimizer to get the best performance out of your let's see. You're gonna run that as administrator. This is optimizer. Well, you're not gonna have this run with noise because I'm not really doing it. I'm not playing on music or anything. See, when I ran it off the server, different results. When I'm running it off the system, it's showing my defaults. That's the way it's supposed to be. 100 plus. I think Microsoft changed these, but these were set too high. And that's the buffer, maximum user port. Buffer. Yeah, because Microsoft, I don't know, for some reason they believe buffering needs smaller, and quality of service is set to 0, because by default it uses 80%. Well, actually it uses 20% of your bandwidth. You don't want to use that. You want to speed it. Then you have game network throttling. The problem with this is if you turn this on, your network card and everything will run weird. I tried it when it slows. Okay. So where do you get all these? Well, you see what it is. So you're gonna look for SGTCP optimizer 4 and quick CPU, and just look for those because that's gonna help you guys. If you guys have any questions about what we have seen, just drop it in the show notes. I'll answer you. Don't worry. I'm always checking. I get announcements when anything changes. System power plan. Quick CPU. Smart game booster plan. High performance plan. Apply. Let's go for high performance plan. I want the highest performance. Alright, that ends this video, and I do appreciate you guys watching. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe. It is very important that you subscribe to the channel. Thanks again, and bye for now. And oops.